Hi, boys and girls. Guess what? Today is the first day of October. It is October 1st, 2020. Now, what do you think of when someone says the word October? Does anything come to your mind? Well, do you know what I think of? Well, in my country, in the month of October, the leaves start to change color. It is fall. And so the colors of the leaves will change from green, they turn into orange and yellow, and then they'll turn brown, and then the leaves will start to fall. That's why we call it fall. Now, another thing I think of is I start thinking about pumpkins. Well, why do I think about pumpkins? Well, in my country, when it starts getting around October, the pumpkins at the farm are all ready. They're ready to be picked. And so a lot of people will visit a pumpkin patch and go cut a pumpkin and bring a pumpkin home. And you can do a lot of things with pumpkins, boys and girls. You can cook with it. You can make a pie. You can make a cake. You can make muffins. You can make cookies. You can carve a pumpkin as well. Well, today we're going to work on the October calendar. So this is what you need today. You need to get this calendar out. So find it in your math folder, or maybe it's in another folder. So make sure you find the October calendar, and also you need some markers today. All right, so two things, your October calendar and your markers. So go ahead, you can pause the video and go find these two things. And then we'll come back and work on it together. Hi, boys and girls. Here is my October calendar. Can you point to the word October for me? Yeah, it's right there. It says October. And you see right here, this is the year, 2020. All right, boys and girls, let's see how many days there are in this month. Now, if you look at the numbers, go all the way down and find the very, very last number on this calendar. Can you find the biggest number and put your finger on it? All right, I'm going to put my finger on it. Let's see if you put your finger on the right number. Did you put your finger on this number? Can you read that number? What does it say? There's a 3 and a 1. Did you say 31? That's right. There are 31 days in this month. Boys and girls, that's also kind of a special day in USA. And in America, in my country, we celebrate a special day for kids called Halloween. So that's on October 31st. All right, so let's go back up here. This is what you're going to do today. You're going to choose some markers. Okay, so I'm going to choose 2 colors. And what I would like you to do is to choose 2 colors. Because what we're going to do today is we're going to do a pattern. Okay, we've been talking about patterns in our math class this week. So I want to make a pattern with my colors when I go all the way across. Now you can see it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The numbers are going this way. So let me show you how I'm going to do it. Okay, so I'm actually going to open both of my markers at the same time. Okay, so I don't have to keep on putting the cap on. So just leave the caps and just put it off to the side somewhere. Okay, don't put it back on the marker, just leave it off to the side. All right, so what I'm going to show you, I'm going to make an AB pattern. So what does that mean? That means I'm going to do one color, orange, and then the next one, I'm going to make brown. So the number 2 is brown. And then the next color, I'm going to make orange. And then what's after 3? We have to find it over here. Now number 4 is going to be brown. Number 5 will be orange. Number 6 will be brown. Number 7 will be orange. And I'm going to keep going that way. So you're going to practice writing all your numbers until you get to the very end. Okay, so boys and girls, the numbers are already there and you can trace over the numbers. Okay, so I want you to take your time and do it very carefully and make sure you can see the numbers really, really, really good. Okay. And you might want to put a piece of paper. Did you see what Mrs. Hayes did? I put another piece of paper on the bottom just in case the marker goes right through the paper, because I don't want to mark up my table. Okay. So as you can see, do you see the pattern here? It's looking really, really beautiful. Okay, so I do one color orange, then I do go brown, then orange, then brown, then orange and brown. And I just keep on going with all my numbers. All right, so boys and girls, when you are finished with all the numbers, I want you to come up here and also trace the words. Okay, so these are the letters to make the word October. And we have the year here. So I'm going to make my year a different color. So October I made all orange, but the year I'm going to make brown. All right. So when you're done, boys and girls, don't forget to write your name on your paper. Okay, so that's one thing I want you guys to always practice, is to practice writing your name on your paper. All right, now is your turn. Go and trace all the numbers all the way to 31, and don't forget, also trace the month name and the year. And then you can hang this calendar up somewhere in your house to help you tell what day of the week is it. Okay, and here you can also read the words. We have Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So you can try singing the song that we've been learning in class. All right, are you ready? Off you go. Your turn.